Hi, Mark again from Panel Perfect. Today we have a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe with a bit of damage to the front wing. Let's see what we can do. So here's the damage to the Hyundai. Fairly typical type of damage. Looks like it's probably been nudged in a car park. It's kind of bumper height. As you can see, you've got a body line that runs through here that needs to be rebuilt, and there's a bit of a ding, horizontal type ding. Goes close to this edge here as well, so we've got to be a little bit careful. We'll get a little bit cool today, so we'll warm him up and get him fixed, and I will show you the afters. Hi, back again with the Santa Fe. The repair's all finished. As you can see, body line's all back in where it should be. The dent is gone, so that's job done for me. So there was actually a couple of minor impact points, so it looks like it was a bumper or something that hit it, but it's all back to how it should be. So back again, all fixed, body line's perfect, it's all come back really well. If you get a dent and it doesn't need paint, give me a call.